Hi guys, your girl Yammi, and guess where I'm at? Can you guess? Can you guess? Any guesses? One guess only. That's right, SeaWorld. And I'm here with Donna today. Today is National Best Friends Day, so we came out to SeaWorld and we're dedicating this video to Rob. I'm gonna go ride that pipeline for Rob. I'm gonna get in the front row for Rob. He would love to have seen me on that. Trust me, he would have loved it. So we're going to dedicate today to Rob. So Rob, this is for you. You ready, Donna?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay.
Look at the dolphins. There was a mama and a baby in there. We just seen them both. Oh, that was mama and the baby. Okay, I didn't see the baby.
Where?
Ready to get over the pipeline because, yeah, your girl's getting on the pipeline. And you remember what happened with the Tron video, the POV I did? Well, expect that plus some on this one. This one goes upside down and it goes a little bit faster, I think, than Tron did, but I'm not sure. Okay, so they got a special event going on today at 5. But it's going now. So I got my little disability access pass thingamajiggy, and I'm gonna go over here and have them sign my paper, and I can come back, whatever the wait time is, I can come back that time or later. All right, they got some surfing music going on. They got little sayings on here about how you can respect the ocean and how to keep litter out of the ocean. Well, they got this already for some event that's coming in tonight. They got some photo ops for you. But the cloud looks nasty, so we're not going to ride it right now. We'll wait for that cloud to go away and then I'll get on it. We are sitting inside the pass holders lounge here at SeaWorld, and we just picked up some lunch, and I picked up some ketchups, and look we found a ketchup. A New Hampshire, and that's where Donna's from, New Hampshire. So we thought that was kind of interesting that we found this while we were here. So the pass holder lounge, there is a pop machine in here that you can get refills, and if you have your SeaWorld cup, you can fill your SeaWorld cup in here for free. Donna, for free. I'll just follow behind you. There's Donna.
I'm gonna push this down just a little bit more. Okay. All right. Make sure you don't push up on this.
It might come up.
Just make sure to don't push on it.
At all?
Just don't push up on it.
Are you joking with me? Oh, you're joking. Okay. Okay. Woo! Alrighty. Oh my God. Oh my God. that one. Woo! Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay. I might have to go on this one again. Yeah. I want to go on this one again. Ooh, when that guy told me don't lift up on it, scared me. I don't push up on it at all. Oh my God. I'm all out of breath. Hi guys, Future Tammy here.
With something like that.
Look at this dolphin watching this girl. For a minute there was all four of the dolphins were over here. It was kind of cool. Here they come. There's the little one.
Wow. Investigating.
Yeah. Mama's telling the baby something.
Mommy, look, they're coming.
Mommy's trying to keep the baby away from the window for some reason, it looked like.
We need to try it too. That's all you do. You know he's going to copy you. Just because it's a shiny object. They're fascinated by it, that's for sure. I think one of them. That's so cool.
Look at him.
I don't lost you.
Look at the baby.
Don't get in somebody else's way now, son.
Yeah, she's pushing the baby away for some reason.
Yeah.
Oh, look at him.
Unless they're just playing, but yeah.
Baby's so
Mom and the baby playing.
Aww. Alright, come on, guys. Okay. Get somebody else to turn. Yeah, but you gotta get somebody else to turn.
Oh my gosh, and I got it on film. Look at how I'm playing.
Wow.
You gonna splash? No? Well, it's a good thing we got in that ride twice, because look at there. Their event tonight at 5 o'clock might just get canceled. So now we're going to go over here and we're going to get some ice cream. You scream, we all scream for ice cream. Now that our bellies aren't as full from dinner or lunch. All right, so we've gotten off the ride. We just got ice cream and it is storming out now. You can see in the clouds right up there. And this is going to be around for a little bit, it looks like. So we're going to go ahead and end the video here because we're going to get out of here. So thank you guys for being here and we love you all. Bye.